Here goes Shammi on his first jerk.
There's 3 rules. Go straight, go fast, and don't let go of the bike.
So which way do you fucking go? Just keep going?
Yeah, just...
do you have to do a backflip or you just go with the ramp?
The point on the ramp where if you pull before it, just won't do anything, and then if you pull after that, it'll work. And I'll show you the point when we're down there.
Right, sweet.
I'll give you the rundown when we're down there.
Yeah, it sounds good.
It's easy.
Yeah,
It's easy,
it
bro.
sounds.
It's so easy.
I was telling you that, Joe. It's
Yeah.
easy, brother. Don't have to stress.
Walker's a football player and he just sort of rolled in and did it.
Yeah, but he's a footy player. Yeah, he's a footy player. Yeah, that's tough. We're not tough. You're a soccer player.
Soccer player, skater.
That little faggot set, you gotta remember that. I love how Jay's not wearing his Harley shirt today. No, I brought it in the car. Every other night. Yeah, alright, Mike.
He'll wear the Harley shirt after he goes. Just in case he doesn't do it.
That's what he earns a day. Yeah. Why am I doing a backflip there?
Into the foam pit, but it's just a rule. There's just no straight jumps allowed. You're not allowed to straight jump.
Fair enough. Rules are rules. Austin's actually rode before.
Yeah. Austin's pretty keen on it. He can lead the way.
He'll do it, yeah.
Hey, brother. How are you, man?
Good, man.
Good to see you, mate. Yeah, just practice riding in a straight line.
You're up, mate. This is fucking sick. She's the one doing the backflip.
Guys, like, think about what you heard off the highway.
Well, if she's the one doing the backflip, I've got a bit more confidence.
Jay is doing the backwards loop
I just
again.
need to get some tips and some pointers first, and then I'll speak.
Well, you got the tips. So you're halfway there.
How do you have the balls to hit that? 3 days a day. I hate cooking. Well, you got a few loyalty cards there, no? No, I haven't even got a free chips yet. This if you think I'm going off that. Going off that big one. Fucking hell. All jokes aside, is that big one so scared? I was like, fuck off! Like, there is no chance I'll even make it up there. Can someone teach me how to turn a black light?
You'll be an expert by the end of the 3 minutes. Then you can put on your Harley shirt. It's just, I want to watch you try and do it.
Oh, fucking hell, it's heavy to lift. Get off the ramp.
They got power. The power does it all for you.
How do you do it? Last time we were at Harry's, you did this. What were you doing? Dude, don't do it right now. Did you see that? Oh, almost got it. You don't have to put your foot on it first, then push it down. Yeah. Oh, Jesus, I didn't even think of it. How do you move this thing?
Put that fuck. I don't know. I don't know anything else about it. That's all I know. It's Harry, isn't it? Why are you asking me?
Go harder.
Alright, I got a bit more easy.
Can we go down to the flatland?
Yeah, we can. Peg trying to start it made my day. That's the coolest thing I've seen all year.
What's that?
You kicking the peg.
Oh, you liked it?
Yeah, I did.
Yeah, I knew you would. That's why I did it.
I was like, is he fucking with me? Or
Yeah, I got ya.
he got me good. Alright, so now give it a big rev. I want to see a big rev. Big rev, grab it.
Is it gonna go?
No, because it's in neutral. I just clicked it into gear.
I knew something fishy was going down. Can you imagine if I had it fully done? Fucking cunt. Oh, tree. Tree. Yeah. Tree.
Momentum is everything. You ready? You've advanced lesson 1, you're on to the next one.
Fucking hell, this is
Come
the
on.
scariest school I've ever seen. It's so good.
He has 3 gears. So practice getting the toes underneath this and pull it up. When you sink third, it'll take off. So now you can go a lot quicker.
Look out, Jay.
And practice standing up on the foot pegs. Yeah, there he goes. He's expert now.
Natural.
Hey mate, you want to jump on the nitro circus? This is going to be a good day.
I'm petrified.
Yeah, there he
I
goes.
thought he was going up.
He keeps using his thumb and putting it on the electric start like he needs to keep touching it to keep it going. Wait, what's that thumb doing? What's that right thumb doing?
Changing gears.
You don't need to do anything with your thumb to change gears.
It's fucking nerves.
Dude, your thumb's going like this. I'm like, what button is
Yeah,
it?
it's probably my hand fucking doing this.
Yep.
So we've got 3 gears. Just
Yeah, he's got it, mate.
so yeah, you're starting in first gear. You want to turn it on here.
Show him how to rev it.
Yeah.
Will it go if I rev it?
No, you got to turn it
It's
on.
not even on yet.
You're revving it. You pull that back. Brakes there. We got the 3 fucking geared motorbike.
You get the gear change. I don't know how to do that shit.
All right, go for it.
There he goes. Practice the rev, big rev.
No, it's going to take
Well, I'm not on the gear
I'll
side,
stay.
so I can't do it.
Oh, you see, it's in there.
Only move when you put it into gear by clicking that up.
With your toe.
Thanks, fuck. I didn't have my hand pointing.
hold on.
Alright.
So you're in.
It's like fishing.
Yeah.
Obviously.
We should really have helmets on these guys. Up, pick it up. Yeah, like that.
How do you avoid yourself going to the accelerator?
Well, that's just coordination.
Wait, full throttle.
Go, go!
No, stand up.
Oh!
Yeah!
Oh no!
He's down. Well, you grab the front brake on the downhill part. That's the worst.
Shut up.
Go, go, go!
He's done his ankle.
Right, here's the first ever non-FMX rider to do a double.
That's fast.
Ever.
Yeah, Shammi!
Go, Shammi.
Oh, bit of backy juice.
Right, I've never even rode a bike, but today I'm going to try and do a backflip into the foam pit.
Whoa! Yo!
Yeah, Shammi.
No mucking around here.
Where's your bike, man? You need a bike.
Bike's over this way.
Yeah, Shammi.
No one is allowed to start drinking their drink until they've been tagged by their
Oh,
team.
okay, okay.
Come on.
Hurry up, Harry's cheating. He's just
Go, 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 go,
Where's the key? Yeah, I'll start it.
Fuck yourself!
Oh, great!
Go, go, go! Oh, yeah, that's good for you.
Alright, okay. Are you going last? No, you're going next.
Wait till he gets back.
I don't know how to ride this.
Oh, she crashed! Oh, she crashed!
Go next then.
She got down. Oh,
The beers that froggy, mine just went everywhere. Wait, that corner's that. Yeah, that wall got off there.
Yeah, I don't know.
Mine just went this kadoosh straight out my nose.
Who's in?
Take. Go. Put it in first. You're on my hand. Right.
I'll give you another beer, I'm going to do the next one.
Right, let's
I got a different bike earlier. I could do a backflip. I'm sorry guys, I shouldn't have been the captain. That point it makes you just chun. I did not do that well. Hey. Captains are captains for a reason. They shouldn't be riding. They make the decisions.
You're more like a coach.
For a sec. Alright. I'll give you $2,000 if you scale that all in one.
Go.
No joke. $2,000.
Go. There you go. Go. 1, 2, 3, go.
Let's see it.
1, 2, 3, go. $2,000. $2,000.
Here he goes.
Boy, that is a solid.
This is gonna get the whole thing down, but
Oh!
let's see it.
Oh, he's
shit.
halfway. He's halfway. Conan is halfway. $2,000.
He's got it. Oh,
He's got it. He's there.
Oh, he's getting it
No,
down.
he's there.
Oh! He's fucking done it.
He's done it. He's fucking $2,000. He's done it. He's fucking done it.
He's fucking done it, brother. We're gonna tune back in about half an hour.
$2,000.
Yep. And I'll post it wherever I like.
Wherever you want.
When I like.
Wherever you like. Wherever you want.
Whenever I want. Whenever I like.
Yep.
For $2,000. Or I'll never post it ever to be seen for $500. You're
All good. I would take that in the long run.
Which one will you take? Which one? Which one?
What do you want? What do you want?
My parents.
No, which one? 500 or 2 grand?
Or 2 grand?
2 grand. My parents would much prefer me to get 2 grand.
10 minutes later.
I'm going to a flip. And my parents are going to be like, in 20 years, let me just say in 20 years.
You made a proper mess of yourself. Wait, what have you done to this guy over here?
Did Shammi actually pay you that $2,000?
He sure did. Sure is. Shammi is the man of his word. Amen.